Most people panic the moment they scratch off their Google Play gift card code and can't read it properly. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the card is not lost. The code is still recoverable, if you act carefully and don't make things worse. In this video, you will learn how to fix a scratched Google Play gift card code in 2026, what methods actually work, and what mistakes can permanently ruin your chances of recovery. Let's start with the most important rule. Do not keep guessing the code. If Alex tries random combinations, the system will eventually block attempts or mark the card as invalid. Too many wrong tries can make recovery harder, so stop immediately. Now here's where it gets interesting. In many cases, only part of the code is damaged. Google Play codes are structured in predictable formats. So if you can clearly read even most of it, you might still be able to recover the missing characters by carefully comparing similar fonts like O and 0 or B and 8. But here's the problem most people don't realize. Scratched cards often still have readable partial data, and retailers or Google support can sometimes verify them using the serial number printed on the back of the card. That is why you should never throw the card away. Let's go step by step. First, examine the card under bright light. Tilt it slightly to catch hidden impressions. Sometimes scratched numbers are still visible from an angle. This trick helps more than people expect. Next, carefully compare each visible character with common substitutions. For example, uppercase O is often confused with 0, and letter I can look like number 1. Jake might recover several missing characters just by carefully checking patterns. If the code is still partially readable but not redeemable, your next step is support. Go to the official Google Play Help Center. You will need your receipt and the card's serial number. Support agents can sometimes verify whether the code was valid and help restore it. Now here's another important tip. If the card was purchased recently, the retailer may also help. Many stores keep activation records that can confirm whether the card was properly issued and unused. But here's the truth. If the entire code is completely destroyed with no readable section, recovery becomes very difficult. In that case, only the original seller or Google support has a chance of helping, and proof of purchase becomes essential. So let's quickly summarize. A scratched Google Play gift card is not always lost. Partial recovery, careful character checking, and official support are your best options. But guessing randomly is the worst mistake you can make. If this helped you, like the video, comment your issue, and subscribe for more real-world fixes that save you time and money.